If you look at the video, this video has gotten me 33,200 views and I've earned $146 dollars from it. Let's refresh it real quick. I love refreshing. Yes, if you refresh real quick, you'll see it's 32,000 and this has gained me $146. Now look at this video. This video has gotten me 20k views and I've earned $87 from it. Now if you look at this one has gotten me 29k views. I've earned $126 from it. And remember that this is counting. It's worth $126 and counting. Now if you do the math, you see that I'll be earning nothing less than $1,800 from this particular video. And if you multiply $1,800, if you multiply it by 585, you see that it will earn me at least 1 million naira. So what is up, guys? This is Waterfred1 here again, and today, guys, I will be sharing you my YouTube analytics for you to see how much I earn from YouTube. I'm going to share with you the payment from 5 random videos. These videos are not the videos that earn me the highest money, neither are they the ones that earn me the lowest amount. So if you just go to youtube.com and you search Waterfred1, you will see my YouTube channel right here. Currently I'm almost at 34,000 subscribers. If I open here up, if I click it, I can from here go to my channel, or if you just stay on YouTube, if you are signed in, you can just click here and click on YouTube Studio. You will see all my videos. Now you see the monetization tab. You see that all my videos are all monetized. Monetization on, monetization on, monetization on. All the videos are all monetized, guys. All the videos are all monetized. You will see that I will keep any revenue on this video as long as they remain on YouTube. As long as YouTube keep existing, they are all going to be paying me money every new month. Now let's jump right into the videos, guys. If you look at the video, this video has gotten me 33,200 views and I've earned 146. Let's refresh it real quick. I love refreshing. Yes, if you refresh real quick, you'll see it's 32,000 and this has gained me $146 dollars from it. If you multiply 146 0.86 multiply, let's say, by 585, current rate is 85,000 naira, and it is still worth counting. Now remember that there is about 5.8% tax from YouTube payment. Yes. Now look at this video. This video has gotten me 20k views and I've earned $87 from it. Now if you look at this one has gotten me 29k views. I've earned $126 from it. Now I created a course on YouTube monetization and how you can be able to make thousands of dollars from YouTube unlimited every month without any issues, being paid directly into your DOM account, in dollars, without any issues with CBN or anything at all like that. You can see all my videos monetization on. Yes, so I'm earning money, I'm earning revenue every new month, every day I earn revenue from these videos, as long as YouTube keep existing. No long talks on this one, guys. If you want my course on how to make money on YouTube, how to monetize your content and get your content ranking high, the type of videos to make more money, the type of videos that YouTube loves seeing, you can message me on Instagram at Waterfred1. And please note that my course is a paid course. My course is not a free course, guys, so please don't come asking for a free information. And remember that this is counting. It's worth $126 and counting. Yes, if you look at this one too, this one is worth $98 and worth counting. Now I want to show you something real quick. If you look at this video, something really funny about YouTube. If you look at this video has earned me 425,000 views. Yes, 425,000 views, almost 500,000 views, and I've earned just $149 from it. Now if you look at this video here, this video has earned just 33,000 views, and it's earning me $146. Now 33,000 views is almost equaling the amount I made from this video. Now imagine that this particular video here hits this 425k views. Now if you do the math, you see that I'll be earning nothing less than $1,800 from this particular video. Yes, from this particular video. And if you multiply $1,800, if you multiply it by 585, you see that it will earn me at least 1 million naira. This video is going to hit me like 1 million naira at least once if it gets to these views that this video has. Now the reason why this video got this low amount is because I made this video about P Square. This video contains some content that were not really exclusively mine. Yes, now it wasn't a copyrighted content, but it was not really exclusively mine, and I added my own content to it, explain something. So YouTube doesn't really like that. Believe you me guys, anyone can do this at all. Anybody can do this from any part of the world. YouTube can do this and earn money from YouTube unlimited, as long as people keep watching your videos. Now, you don't have to have a very big camera or be a pro in video editing before you can start earning money on YouTube. You can start from the scratch. Like most of my videos that are earning revenue as much as this, we are even filmed on phone before I even got a digital camera to start shooting with. I'll teach you from the scratch how to create a YouTube channel from the scratch and the kind of content to make for you to easily get 1,000 subscribers for your monetization and the 4,000 hours of watch time that is needed by YouTube for content monetization. So guys, that is it for this video. No long talks. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you in the next one. Peace.